In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay charts in TradingView. This feature is incredibly useful for traders and investors who want to compare different assets directly on the same chart, providing a clear and comprehensive view of their performance relative to each other. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process. First off, let's head over to the TradingView website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL tradingview.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access the charting features. Logging in is straightforward. Just enter your credentials and you'll be taken directly to your personalized TradingView dashboard. Now on your dashboard, locate and open the chart you wish to view. This is the particular asset or stock that you're interested in analyzing further by overlaying it with another. The navigation is intuitive, so you should have no trouble finding your watch list or previously saved charts. Once you have your desired chart opened on the screen, we can move on to the next part. Direct your attention to the top of the chart area. You'll notice a toolbar running horizontally. Find and click on Compare Symbol. This feature allows you to overlay additional charts over your existing one, creating a visual comparison. It's a feature that enhances your analytical capabilities by letting you view price movements side by side. After clicking on Compare Symbol, a small dialog box will pop up. Here, you can select the asset you want to compare your current chart with. Simply enter the ticker symbol or the name of the security you're interested in. TradingView provides a vast array of stocks, indices, and other financial instruments to choose from, so you'll likely find exactly what you need. Once you've selected the desired symbol, TradingView will automatically generate and overlay the new chart on top of your existing one. You'll notice a new section added within the chart display area, typically represented by a different color line or pattern. This visual distinction makes it easy to compare and contrast the performance of the two assets, helping you spot trends, correlations, and divergences that might guide your investment decisions. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've now mastered the skill of overlaying charts in TradingView, a technique that can significantly enhance your trading analysis. Remember, the key to successful trading and investing often lies in the details, and being able to draw insights from multiple data points on a single chart provides a powerful edge. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make more informed trading decisions. Happy charting!